Morning, Emily.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good.
Yeah, Papa need to go working again, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so see you next time.
Yeah.
And be a good girl, huh? Oh, Beton Misha. Cook here. Beton Misha. Good morning, Ben. Huh? Big hug for Papa. Papa go to Vietnam. Oh, see you soon. Bye bye. And have to say bye bye again.
Yes.
Yeah, Mama. This trip actually will be a little bit longer because I have to prepare some things in Vietnam. Yeah. So take care, everyone, and see you soon. Huh?
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Bye bye. Different background. Yeah, so what happened? I needed to change my room. Yeah, and the reason for that is not because the rental period is over already. No, I came back to my room and put everything already. Started the aircon or tried to start the aircon, and nothing happened. Really, nothing happened. And I'm gonna go outside and checked for the thing outside what they have from the aircon. It not even starts to running. So I contacted the owner from this place, and then very quickly he was there with some people for checking. And then actually the thing is the main board inside is damaged, is broken, and it needed to be replaced. So it will take a few days. So that's why I told you, I think many times already, the owner is a very nice guy. So actually what he could have done is, for example, say, okay, sorry for that, it will take a few days. Your room maybe is probably a little bit too hot, but it is like it is. No, the situation is now that he said, hey, in the upper floors I still have one room what is actually empty at the moment. So for the time what it takes now for the fixing, what about you move to there? Sorry for the inconvenience, but I hope you understand me also. Sorry for the problem. So I said, wow, this is really very, very cool. So I took a little bit of my stuff and moved a few floors up. And then maybe I show you this room also, because all the thing what you have here is the same price. So this one also will be 9.5 million per month, same to my room. But I have to say, actually it look different. But maybe let me show you around. So same as in my room. Okay, here's the entrance, and then directly on the left you will have your bathroom. Then first a toilet, a small sink with a mirror. And then, okay, there is the shower. So actually, exactly like my one. But then the difference starts already now, because the room is very short. Here is a small, you see there's wall and there is a window already. Very small place here. He put a chair and a small table. The TV is over there at the wall. The aircon actually is here. And then my bag is here now. The floor is also different. And then okay, a small table over here, and then the same cupboard what I have in my room actually also, and the bed is over there. Then actually it's finished already. So first I came in and said, ooh, pretty small, but the thing was also that the curtains were closed that time. And then actually I opened a curtain and saw this one here, and this is actually pretty cool, because when you're going outside now, you have then here sitting situation, same as here, with a nice big table. It's a balcony, a few floors upper. This is the view right now down to the street. This is how it looked like in my neighborhood. So it's opened actually from here to here, so it's actually quite nice because you have wind coming inside here. There is glass, but actually one more window what you could open up. And then the kitchen is outside, and it is really good because, yeah, if you're doing something, cooking something or whatever, you don't have the smell in your room. And then, yeah, same to my room. He provides also a lot of things, yeah, like this one here, or this one here, and this one here. And of course the refrigerator, same to my room. Actually one more fan here, over there also. And let's see, even even inside it looks same my one. No, kidding, I just put it there. So yeah, actually I have to say also, yeah, quite nice how he did with this room. And he told me actually all of the rooms here in this place are a bit different, and then now the thing is actually I'm very close to, okay, that yeah, rental period is finished, so I'm really thinking about talking with him maybe about switching. I mean, the room is smaller, but it's still enough. There's the working table, what I need, and so yeah, and then the other things are outside. And this actually the whole area here outside, yeah, is way bigger than, okay, the balcony what I have right now. And yeah, I like to be outside. We put here a very nice, yeah, relaxing morning times or something like this with a coffee. I was thinking about, not sure about that, yeah, but anyway, the moving will be no problem because, yeah, I still only have my big bag with everything, not many things. I bought nothing so far here, what depends on furnitures or something like this. Even here the bed sheets or pillows or whatever, they are from the owner, and they're changing that every 2 weeks. They have the laundry service here, so this place is really cool, and I really like this owner. This is very nice guy. So yeah, so this was the first little update back in Vietnam, and I think during this video more to come. And back to my old room. It's so nice. Actually, I thought about that again. I stayed there a few nights at that one. The room is actually too small. I like that rooftop open kitchen thing, but actually the room is so narrow. But anyway, aircon fixed here in my room, so I could move back, which is very good. Yeah, and then what else? Yeah, the topic of this video, you saw that already, and today really was a very good day. Yeah, because yeah, here for the Vietnam side, I have to say now everything, yeah, is really clear so far right now. Today I got my work permit, which looks like this. Yeah, quite big. I think if you fold it, it's a A5. Yeah, so compared to the Thai one is yeah, a big one. Yeah, but anyway, I will just keep that here. I don't need to carry that one around. Yeah, and then I got also today then my TRC. Yeah, so and both of that things, the work permit and the TRC, are valid for 2 years here in Vietnam, and I'm really super happy that all of this is really done right now, and because yeah, it's a lot of paperwork, more than what they require than when I compared it to Thailand. But anyway, as I told you before already, just very nice that okay, the new company where I'm working now, they take care about all of that. So actually, yeah, they hired a lawyer for me, and I just follow the instructions what the lawyer is telling me and what documents are required and so on. So yeah, it took a while, but finally it's done. Really happy about that. Yeah, so now is only one thing left what I need to do in Thailand. This will be then, I think, yeah, probably, yeah, very soon in the videos, maybe the next one already, I hope so. So really happy. Vietnam side is done. Yeah, so I am packing right now, because that means also, yeah, because for the TRC I needed to give away my passport to the authorities here. Yeah, they kept that for a few days for preparing the TRC, the temporary resident card. Yeah, so I got it back. Couldn't go anywhere, but okay, everything back right now. So packing And then, yeah, tomorrow morning I have the flight back to Thailand and yeah, to Phuket, because it's been a while now that yeah, I didn't saw the family, so really looking forward to that. Good morning.
Laptop has been found. Will you know?
Emily! Hey! And little boy! Hey! You take off your shoes by yourself? Huh? Help? Boop! And there he goes. Huh? Wow! Huh? And then? Alex! New hair! Huh? And Mama? New hair also! Wow, wow, wow! Looking good!
Short hair.
Yeah, it's too hot, no?
Yes.
Yeah, looking good. Alex? Oh my god, what happened? Choose the wrong color or you won't like that?
We will change it.
Papa! Hi! Hi! Super happy to be back. I will end this one now. Will fully concentrate on family time, yeah, and then we will see us in the next one, guys. Thank you very much again for watching. Yeah, like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you aren't already, and then have a nice weekend and see you very soon. Bye bye, guys.